afternoon, everyone. My name is Safia Akhtar, and this is our team. Our algorithm is how to brush our teeth. Step 1, wash your face. Step 2, take your toothpaste and a toothbrush. Step 3, wet your mouth with water. Step 4, paste the toothpaste on your brush. Step 5, tap the toothpaste and put it close to your mouth. Step 6, start brushing your teeth and kill all the germs. Thank you.
So how was the algorithm?
It was too funny and enjoyable.
Did you learn writing how to write an algorithm?
Yes, sir.
Because we learn from fun. No?
Yes, sir.
The fun thing gives us more learning. Thank you.
Thanks.
Now you create your own algorithm. Means clear steps to prepare a cup of tea. After writing, लिखने के बाद अगर मैं तुम्हारा ये algorithm देखो तो without asking you मैं चाय बना सकता हूँ. These are the steps. Clear? Some tips are there. We can use pour, add, boil. These are the action words. So in algorithm, action words are used. So now two people can work as a team together. Okay, that will help you to brainstorm new idea. नया idea निकालने में उसका next वाला step क्या होगा? At least some verification will be there. You can discuss. We want to develop teamwork, right? So सब काम अकेला नहीं होता है. टीम के साथ कैसे बात करना है, कैसे collaborate करना है. Now two of you can share, discuss करो. You're done. हो गया. And always remember, speed is important. Doing something faster is very important. If you spend too much time for a small work, that you are losing something. You know? What you have done? Done? Almost done? Okay. Keep this with you. And we have an interesting activity at the end. I will provide you few cards. Now you understand how to discuss with your teammate, how to create a plan for an algorithm, right? Now I will share you a new algorithm because team making algorithm we have already discussed. You have gone through this. Now you understand. It's your turn. I have prepared few flashcards for you. Now you can work as a team. At the end of the session, you are going to share with the classroom what you have done. This group, take this. Do not share with others. This group, your time starts now, and I will give you one more. Write it down. Write it down. पढ़ सकते हो ना? Safely, safely. So now you got your challenge, right? You have 5 minutes time to write it down. अपने टीममेट से बात करो, फाइनलाइज करो. मिडिल में जो 1 minute है, you finalize the process, and last 2 minutes में उसको फाइनली राइट करो. Write it down. Simple. One more minute to finish. It's time to share our algorithm with the classroom. Okay, and I want everyone, every team. Okay, I want team to come here. Okay, and you share your algorithm. Remember one thing: ভুল হবে, সত্য হবে, তার তোয়াক্কা না করে আমাকে কাজ করতে হবে. Right? Remember that. If the algorithm is not correct, no problem. At least we will correct it. Start with this. This is the first algorithm. How did you find it? It was charming, interesting, wonderful, boring. And how did you solve that? Okay. Quickly. Quick.
Good morning, everyone. Myself Sanjana Sinha, and we're some student of HSAI. This is our first teamwork in a comfortable way. First step was organize the shoelace in a proper way. Step 2, put in the shoelace hole. Step 3, through zigzag way or a straight parallel way, stretch the shoelace. And step 4, at the end or bottom, just tie the shoelace properly so you can walk comfortably.
How was this activity? Did you find it interesting?
Yes, sir.
Good afternoon, everyone. Myself, Sunia Sinha, and my teammates are Monali Sinha and Pranita Chatterjee. Our algorithm is how to pack a school bag.
How to make a school bag? Good.
First step is take your school bag. Next, putting your books according to your routine. Putting your books according to your routine. Third step is take a water bottle and some lunch box. Um, also, take pencil, take pen. Uh, take your geometry box, etc. In your book bag. First step is take your
What was the algorithm? How to make your school bag? First step.
take a school bag, and next step is putting books according to your routine. And third step is take a water bottle. Uh, fourth, take a lunch box, and it's also put it on your bag. Fifth step, take pencil, pen, sharpener, etc.
How was this activity?
Good, sir.
Did you find something out of the classroom, out of box thinking?
Yeah.
Kind of thing?
Yes, sir.
So, did you enjoy it?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Next.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Safia Akhtar, and this is our team. Our algorithm is how to brush our teeth. Step 1, wash your face. Step 2, take your toothpaste and a toothbrush. Step 3, wet your mouth with water. Step 4, paste the toothpaste on your brush. Step 5, tap the toothpaste and put it close to your mouth. Step 6, start brushing your teeth and kill all the germs. Thank you.
So, how was the algorithm?
It was too funny and enjoyable.
Did you learn writing how to write an algorithm?
Yes, sir.
Because we learn from fun.
Yes, sir.
The fun thing gives us more learning. Thank you.
Thanks.
Don't press the
Firstly, my name is Himanshu Sararji. My algorithm is how to cross the road safety. Step 1. Firstly, I check the road. And step 2, we check the signal red or green. And step 3, when the red signal is come, I cross the road. And step 4, when any vehicle come fast on road, I stop. And step 5, lastly, I am check the road, it is safety or not.
So, did you enjoy this algorithm?
Yes, sir.
Writing this algorithm?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
First of all, my name is Tawfiq Umar and my member name is Tariq Ahmed. Our algorithm is how to make a sandwich. Step 1, take a breakfast. Step 2, put some vegetables and egg. And step 3, and fry it. And step 4, and put some tomato sauce and your sandwich will be good. Thank you, sir.
So, what did you learn from this? Is your algorithm is sufficient? If you give it to a chef, you know, chef, those
Yes,
who prepare food, no. If you give it to them, they'll be able to prepare.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Now think about a robot. You are going to design a machine that is going to prepare breakfast for you, and you desire to get a beautiful sandwich today.
Yes, sir.
This algorithm is working or you have to modify this?
I think it's
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Next.
Good evening, everyone. First of all, I introduce myself. My name is Jayad Ansari, and his name is Vishweshwar Sinha. So, our algorithm is how to get ready for school. Step 1. We wake up in the early morning and for a short time we walked in the streets. Step 2. After this, we brush our teeth and take a bath for refreshment. Step 3. We take some light meal for breakfast. Step 4. We clean our uniform, our shoes and ready the bag for school. Step 5. Now we wear the uniform and get ready for school. Thank you.
How was this algorithm writing experience?
Sir, very awesome and enjoyable.
Did you enjoy this?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand his algorithm? Clap for him. You understand his algorithm? This team's algorithm? You understand? বুঝতে পারছো? তো how was this activity? কিরকম লাগছে? কোনোদিন আজকে থেকে আজকে মনে করো সেই কোনোদিন তোমরা রোড ক্রস করার আগে এরকম অ্যালগরিদম পড়েছিল পড়িয়া রোড ক্রস করছো why because we are intelligent now you are going to make a copy of your intelligence right now your job is to train this guy this machine model okay so that's why we need algorithm and one more demo okay thank you one more come here and
My name is Istikar Hussain.
step 1 क्या करना
Step 1, take a bread. Step 2, put some vegetable above the bread. Step 3, and put egg and butter. Step 4, and fry it and put some sauce above it.
okay well, so did you ever eat sandwich
Yes, sir.
so this is the first time you are writing the steps how to make a sandwich. So did you enjoy this?
Yes, sir.
What did you learn from today in today's class? क्या सीखा आज की क्लास में?
How to make a sandwich.
How to make a sandwich? Okay, okay. This is the physical output. Virtual क्या हुआ? Intelligence के साथ if we are considering something related to intelligence, हमने क्या देखा?
Algorithm सीखा.
हाँ, how to create steps for solving a problem. That is algorithm. अब समझ में आया algorithm कैसे करते हैं? Without considering whether it is 100% accurate or not. Effort never goes waste. That is the important thing. In one class, we have learned how to write an algorithm. Some of you have written wonderfully. Some of you were like expressing wonderfully, and some of you were still learning. No problem. Okay. So thank you. So now today we have learned what is algorithm, how to write an algorithm, why we need an algorithm. Because machines do not, robots, machines cannot guess the way human being can guess and predict. For them, we need some solid, crystal clear steps. Now we have learned how to write these crystal clear steps, and we have solved a lot of algorithm. Did you enjoy this class? Yeah. Okay. Now, algorithms are all around us. While crossing the road, while riding the bike, sometimes we do not follow the steps. But this is there in the back of our head, right? Our brain. While crossing the road, we do not search for zebra crossing. But once there is zebra crossing, we simply stand there and see the right, left, and then go, right? While tying shoelace, do we follow the steps? It is there. It is there, captured in our head. If the shoelace design is changed, we can predict in a different way. Okay. But the problem is that computers and AI follow them to work. बिना एल्गोरिथम के कंप्यूटर और AI काम नहीं कर सकता है. So now we are going to learn AI. AI learning means making our own machines to work like human. So what we are doing? We are transferring our intelligence process, knowledge process, learning process to the machine. That's why we have to learn algorithm. Okay. So next class we are going to draw algorithms using flowchart. You know what is flowchart? It's like a map for the robot. map, the way you use Google Map. Now the steps are there, algorithms. Robot knows the steps, what to do, how to do, what is coming there. And tomorrow's class, the next class, we are going to write an algorithm with the help of flowchart that will be working as a map for robot or machine. Clear? Now the homework is there. Homework is there. Each team, you have given a flashcard, right? Flashcard is there. An algorithm is there. You have done. In hurry, you have done it in a less accurate way. टाइम कम था, हमने इतना परफेक्टली कर नहीं पाया. नाउ राइट इट डाउन, गो होम, प्रिपेयर द परफेक्ट एल्गोरिथम एंड विल शेयर द लिंक एंड विल सेंड यू थ्रू दिस गूगल फॉर्म. क्लियर? याद है सबको क्या एल्गोरिथम दिया था?